Few tips on what we should be doing in the garden. Country's had a bit of an interesting bit of climate because we've gone from very warm weather to some fairly cold weather, and then they're promising a bit more mild weather. So I'm not a weather forecaster, I'm a gardener, and I just watch what goes on around me. We've been cutting lawns right up until today. That's something that I would agree that is one of the best things to do right through the winter. Every other day, every other week, not day, every other week, if it's growing at a reasonable length, and monthly if it's not growing as fast, depending on where you are in the country. Keep it cut. I even use a bit of selective weed killer at this time of the year, but don't worry too much about that because spring is a much better time for that, and I'll be telling you all about it. What else is on our lawn? Yes, look at them, piles and piles of leaves, and we actually take them off. Now, in the United States, there is discussion on whether you can leave them on, and in fact, it doesn't damage the lawn. For me, I like getting them off, putting them in a lovely big bin like this, and we can produce some great leaf mould. What else should we be getting on with? Still tulips, plenty of time to get tulips in the ground, although most garden centres are now really heavily into Christmas. However, you might be able to get some cheaply because they're into Christmas. Lots of things to do in the garden. Pruning some of those hedges that you've left and haven't touched. It's not even too late to touch some of the thujas. You can prune those just lightly, not too heavy. Some of the deciduous shrubs you can cut back. That's where you've left old growth in the base. Get that old growth out and keep the new growth ready for the flowering in the summer period. Feed the birds at this time of the year, particularly as we're going towards the cold snap. See you leave water out for them. And plant plenty of plants that will produce berry, which will help the birds in the future. What else should we be getting on with? Well, still keep planting that garlic. Lift your parsnips as the cool weather will have brought the sweetness out into that parsnip and made it really good. Carrots can be lifted, and I've got lettuce growing quite happily on the outside without any protection at all, and they're actually growing. So don't be afraid of trying things because our weather is so unpredictable. Just try a few things that you might not. Go back to the flower garden, take dead heads off your roses, cut back those herbaceous perennials if they're looking untidy, but leave some of the seed heads for birds again to pick up on the seed. So there's a few more tips for you on gardening, and don't forget you can always check it out on World Radio Gardening and see what we've got for you. Help us grow our YouTube channel. Just hit subscribe.